Reggae music is Jamaica's greatest asset. Reggae music. Reggae music is the only true asset Jamaica have left. So we have to protect it. This is Peter Gracey, poet and author, and in collaboration with Jamaicans.com, I bring you this piece called Reggae is My Birthright. Some people look at reggae music like reggae music is just a thing. But because I know reggae music is Jamaica's greatest asset, I just good news I bring. Reggae music must be taught in every high schools and universities in Jamaica. The science of the music and the business that surround it. Put this infrastructure in place right now. We cannot wait until later. You cannot sell out reggae music. Reggae music belongs to the land of Jamaica. Reggae music is not an airline. So if you were born in her, you can say reggae music is mine. We need certified experts in reggae music. We need professors to teach the truth. We need to create a syllabus to recapture the hearts of the world, creating opportunities for our unattached youths. Look at the genres that spawned off reggae music, and when it comes to income, who earned the most? Do you think reggae music make more money than hip-hop and reggaeton? I was waiting. I was hungry for something for so long. Thank goodness for coffee and toast. We need to study the minds of our artists and put these findings in textbooks and teach the science and the psychology of the business and not just how to write a hook. Even if it's just a single class, give a Jamaican child something rightfully that belongs to them. So should they leave Jamaica one day, they know reggae music is always with them.